Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox camera glitch. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox camera glitch, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you will click on apps, and here in this list of apps you will search about the window or the application of Roblox. When you find it, you can click here for stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to storage. When you will find this page, you click clear cache. And in the end of all the steps, don't click here clear data, because that can make a lot of problem on your phone and you can remove all your data. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.